In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the auto reply on Zendesk. Have you ever found yourself needing to update the automatic responses sent to your customers on Zendesk? Maybe you've updated your service hours, introduced new policies, or simply want to refresh the messaging to keep your communications vibrant and engaging. Whatever the reason, editing your auto reply messages on Zendesk is a straightforward process that can significantly impact how customers perceive your brand. Let's walk through the steps together. First things first, you'll want to navigate to the Zendesk website. Once you're there, look for the Sign In button. You might need to click on Sign In again, depending on the page you land on. Here comes the part you're probably very familiar with. Enter your email address and password. After you've input your credentials, hit Enter or click on Sign In to access your Zendesk dashboard. Now that you're logged in, it's time to dive a bit deeper. Look for the option that says Zendesk products towards the top of the screen and click on it. This is where Zendesk houses all its different modules and products, allowing you to manage every aspect of your customer service suite from a single, centralized location. Your next destination is the Admin Center. This can usually be found in the drop-down menu under Zendesk products. The Admin Center is essentially the brain of your Zendesk operation, where you can tailor your settings and configurations to fit your unique business needs. Inside the Admin Center, the path we're taking leads us to Objects and Rules. Now, this might sound a bit cryptic, but it's really just Zendesk's way of categorizing the different elements you can customize, such as ticket fields, forms, and yes, the auto replies we're focusing on today. Under the Business Rules section, you'll find an option labeled Triggers. This is where Zendesk allows you to set up certain conditions that, when met, trigger specific actions. For example, sending an auto reply when a new ticket is created. Scan through the list of existing triggers until you find the one that controls the auto reply message you wish to edit. Once you've located it, click on it to make your edits. You'll be able to modify the text that's sent out automatically to your customers, ensuring that it aligns with your current messaging and tone. Be sure to scroll through all the options to customize your response fully. After you've made your changes, don't forget the most crucial step: saving your work. Look for the Save button, usually located at the bottom of the page, and give it a click. Congratulations, you've successfully updated your auto reply on Zendesk. A few additional tips before we close off. It's always a good idea to test your trigger after editing to ensure everything works as expected. Also, remember that clear, concise, and friendly messaging can go a long way in maintaining a positive relationship with your customers, even in automated communications. And there you have it. Changing your auto reply on Zendesk is as easy as following these steps. Whether you're tweaking a single word or revamping the entire message, keeping your automated communications up to date is a snap. Thank you for watching and see you in the next tutorial.